Hi, I'm Fiona in the Prince's Kitchen with a bit of tea time inspiration and a bit of a twist as well on an old favourite. It's our Prince's reduced fat ham carbonara. First, I need to cook up the pasta. You can use any pasta, but I'm using tagliatelle to keep it traditional, so I'll be back in 10 minutes. Next, we're going to add our cheeses. Now, traditionally, carbonara would have some cream, but we want to reduce the fat, so I'm going to be using some reduced fat cream cheese. Okay, so that's the reduced fat cream cheese. Next, I'm going to add the parmesan for some extra flavour. Okay, a bit of black pepper for flavour. And now it's time for our hero, our Prince's diced ham. I'm also going to add some parsley to the dish because this will add some colour and some flavour. If you've got fussy eaters, you can just leave that bit out. And this dish is so much healthier than a traditional carbonara because we've reduced the fat, it's low in sugar, it's low in salt, and of course we've got all the protein from the ham as well. So that's it, we're done. How easy was that? It's quick, it's simple, it's ready in 10. It's our Prince's reduced fat ham carbonara.